This is the Wise Owl 2 coming at you from the sea where I live. Tomorrow's Sunday, and the clock is going 1 hour ahead tonight. This Saturday night, to 12, I guess. But tomorrow's Sunday. I gotta make pancakes for the family for breakfast. I already put the Angel Mama mix here. I got to get the milking here. I make mine different than most people. They make a little ditch in the middle of the flour. I don't. I gotta do all this. I get the Angel Mama mix, then I put from the box, then I put the milk, the eggs, the butter, some sugar. That's it. 2 eggs and some oil. Okay. So, let me go get the oil. Get the oil. Here we go. This one gotta be opened up. Or do I have another one over here? Let me see. Nope, it's gotta be opened up. Alright, so I got this. Okay, well, that's how I make my pancake. It's hard to make pancakes and hold the phone, so tomorrow breakfast, Sunday breakfast, fry eggs too. I would make a Spanish omelet, but we do have the ingredients here. But no, I think I just make the, we just have fried eggs with the pancakes tomorrow. I believe so. Alright. I got the eggs, I got the milk, the sugar, the butter, and I got the oil. Alright. Just to let you know. Then I'm going to put in this jar right here.